need to leave a Life360 circle you are no longer part of? Let's get you out of there. First, open Life360 app on your device. Tap Settings, then tap your circle name. Scroll down and select Leave Circle. A confirmation will pop up. Tap Leave again and you are officially out of that circle. Don't worry, you can join or create another circle anytime. Once you leave, the other members will be notified, so be sure it's what you want to do. If you don't see the option, double check you are not the circle admin. If you are the circle admin, you will need to transfer admin rights first. Already left a circle? Comment below and let me know. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.